Welcome to my channel and welcome to my PrimeAi-Final Launch review. Experience the power of this paradigm-shifting AI revolution that's redefining the boundaries of human intelligence. Fully ChatGPT and OpenAI-driven app. Ask and generate human-like crisp and clear answers to complex questions in real time. Create and sell high-in-demand, quality contents like ebooks, articles and much more. Generate high-converting marketing materials like sales scripts, ad copy, email swipes, product descriptions, etc. Transform your vision into reality. Create stunning AI art and images with just a few keystrokes. Create stunning funnels and websites by simply typing your desired features. Craft high-quality plagiarism-free SEO content and rank your websites. Generate codes like a pro, simply by describing what you need. PrimeAi comes with one-click keyword search feature. Automate and revolutionize your repetitive routine tasks with AI. The possibilities with PrimeAi is just endless. Translate languages, solve maths problems, or do anything you want. Commercial license included. Generate and sell as many assets as you like to clients. Newbie friendly, easy to use dashboard. No hidden fee or any extra expenses. Nothing to download, install or customize. Get started in seconds. Iron-clad 30-day money-back guarantee. PrimeAi is disrupting the business landscape. Join the ranks of over 4,500 savvy marketers and business leaders who are harnessing the power of this fully ChatGPT and OpenAI-driven technology and experiencing awe-inspiring results, including increased conversions, soaring sales and boosted profits. You're just 3 clicks away. Step number 1. Type your desired specification about anything that want like content, AI graphics, marketing materials, etc. Step number 2. Generate. PrimeAi harnesses the power of ChatGPT and OpenAI and generates high-quality content, AI graphics, marketing materials, or anything you desired for. Step number 3. Profit. Start profiting by selling these high-in-demand marketing contents, AI graphics and so much more to your clients or on freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork while filling up your pockets. Just follow these 3 easy steps and start revolutionizing your sales and profit like never before. Discover the incredible results we're unleashing with PrimeAi. With 10x better conversion, traffic and sales. Today $354.09. Today $154.97. This is our typical results with PrimeAi in our marketing arsenal. This revolutionary AI creates 10x faster contents, codes, copy, etc., solves all your marketing needs, and produces human-like crisp and clear answers to your questions and a lot more. And just with typing your desired needs. A paradigm-shifting AI revolution, ChatGPT, that redefines the boundaries of human-AI interaction and skyrockets business and sales like never before. And with the acquisition of ChatGPT by Microsoft for $10 billion. I knew ChatGPT is the new game-changer, and it quickly became the unchallenged ruler of the online world. ChatGPT, bought by Microsoft. With the acquisition of ChatGPT by Microsoft, it quickly became the undisputed king of Internet. And within its first month it got over 10 million people. Ask it anything that you want, and it produces human-like 100% accurate information instantly. Generates high-quality contents for your marketing needs in blink of an eye. Crafts high-quality AI visuals, graphics and arts and never pay single penny to stock sites. Create and sell anything from ebooks to copies to ad copies or anything. Cancel all your marketing tools and services. AI is booming beyond your belief. ChatGPT reached to over 10 million monthly active users in first month. AI industry is expected to reach $190.61 billion by 2025. AI industry is seeing an annual growth rate of 36.62%. 77% of the digital devices in 2023 are driven by AI. Online business saw 33% more growth by automating their repetitive task. By 2030, AI will add $15.7 trillion to the world's GDP, boosting it by 14%. This clearly clarifies why AI is the next big thing on the internet with a limitless potential to crank out big profits. Seeing the massive profit potential and limitless possibilities of artificial intelligence, we created the world's first fully ChatGPT-powered Google killer app that generates human-like responses to complex questions, creates high-quality content, and designs stunning AI graphics and arts with a single keyword in just 2 minutes flat. Generate human-like crisp and clear responses to complex questions in real time. Generate high-converting sales scripts, video scripts and email swipes for your marketing campaigns. Build professional-looking funnels and website codes just by typing your desired specifications. Create high-quality and plagiarism-free content like ebooks, articles, and much more instantly. Translate languages, solve tricky math problems, or type anything that you want. You're getting a groundbreaking AI-driven software. Ask, type your demands. Generate instantly. Start profiting. Finally, it's time to say goodbye your struggle and take command of your destiny. Experience the ultimate game changer. Everything is 100% ready and done for you. Here are the limitless possibilities. PrimeAi puts you in the driver's seat. You're now in full control. Take the charge with PrimeAi. You're the boss. Ask anything you want, generate, and sell them to your clients while filling up your pockets. PrimeAi is the new 2023 revolution that is transforming the old ways of content creation, AI graphic designing and marketing materials creation. Grab PrimeAi and save $180. Today only one time $16.95. You need PrimeAi if you're a content creator or copywriter, if you want a ready-made business, if you want to start blog website, if you want to start digital marketing agency, if you want to get limitless conversions, if you need high-converting email swipes for your affiliate promotions, if you want to start your own ebook, articles, stories selling agency, if you want to save your money, if you want to dominate red-hot trending niches and build your own brand. Finally, live your dream lifestyle. PrimeAi unlocks the true lifestyle that you've been waiting for. Special bonus offer. Free gift. First 100 smart action takers gets access to PrimeAi Unlimited Reseller License. Honest to God value $997. However, this is a limited time deal. This is your chance to change things for the better. You're in safe hands with our 100% risk-free, Iron-clad 30 days money-back guarantee. Let's revisit everything you're getting with PrimeAi. Fully ChatGPT and OpenAI powered app value. $597. World's first Google killer app value. $497. ChatGPT driven human-like answering bot value. $997. High-quality original content creator like ebooks, articles, essays, stories, poems, and much more. Value. $297. Crafts high-converting sales scripts, video scripts, and email swipes for your marketing campaigns priceless. Writes creative blog posts, social media posts, Facebook ads, Google ads, and real content for your business value. $397. Design stunning AI graphics, visuals, and art instantly. Value. $97. Build professional-looking funnels and website codes just by typing your desired specifications. Value. $297. Automate the repetitive tasks and save your time. Value. $97. Built-in AI chatbot for handling sales and support. Value. $597. One-click social media sharing. Value. $497. Free commercial license included. Value. $297. Stop paying monthly fees to content and copywriters. Value. $597. PrimeAi Mobile Edition. Value. $297. Get free updates. Value. Priceless. 24*7 support and 100% uptime guaranteed. Value. Priceless. Step-by-step training videos. Value. $297. Exclusive bonuses. Priceless. Total value of everything you get today. $4,055. So friends, if you want to buy this product, please check this video description.